Have you ever noticed how some speakers seem to grab the attention of a single listener or an entire room? I'm David Pope. Starting at the BBC, I've coached hundreds of business and legal professionals across Asia, from CEOs and senior partners to young executives and TEDx speakers. When we look at ourselves, it's usually in a mirror. It's like a 2D image.
But when other people see us, it's from different angles. They get a complete 3D image. So, like your voice, that's why your physical presence to others is different to the way you think you look.
To learn how others see you, try this. Video yourself and replay it. At first, it may be difficult to watch yourself, but it could reveal some unconscious habits, perhaps rocking back and forth, keeping your hands in your pockets, or repetitive hand gestures. You're giving yourself terrific feedback. Knowledge is power and the key to change. In my course, Projecting Leadership, you'll learn how to transform your voice and presence with gravitas. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life. I'm sharing my top voice and presence tips here, so please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be sure to get them. And right now, when you visit my website, allvoicetalent.com, you can sign up for a free 6-day mini course that will give you some tools to improve your voice right away. Check the link in the description and learn more about my one-on-one coaching programs, online professional development courses, workshops, and webinars.
To transform your voice and presence, click the link in the description. Let's get started. Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.